Díhuit agus fáilte arash. Hello and welcome back. In this Fishon video, we're going to look at some political terminology. The Irish word for politics is an fulla tíocht, politics. Tá simagum sa fulla tíocht. I have an interest in politics. Tá simagum sa fulla tíocht. Is parsa hábhachtach full tool e. She is an important political person. Is parsa hábhachtach full tool e. She is an important political person or an important political figure. The Irish word for law is dlí. An dlí, the law. Tá sé in éideann an dlí. It is against the law. Tá sé in éideann an dlí. The Irish word for Prime Minister is príomh ara. Príomh ara. But specifically the Irish Prime Minister is called the Taoiseach. An Taoiseach. That means chief or chieftain. The Deputy Prime Minister then is the Taoiseach. An Taoiseach, the Deputy Prime Minister. The Irish for government is rialtas. Rialtas. The Irish government, rialtas na hÉireann. Rialtas na hÉireann. The word for tax is an cháin. Tax. An cháin. Is fualam cánacha. I hate taxes. Is fualam cánacha. The Irish word for war, or the war, is an cóga. An cóga. Tridden na tíortha sa chóga. The countries fight in the war. Tridden na tíortha sa chóga. The Irish word for country is tír. And if you heard the phrase ar fud na tíortha, that means all around the country or throughout the country. Ar fud na tíortha. So that's the end of this Irish language video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel for more similar videos, and you'll see some more videos I've made recently on screen now. Gurb mahagat, thanks for watching. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.